सो हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं आपसे आशा करता हूँ कि आप सब ठीक होंगे और विशिंग ए वेरी हैप्पी एंड कलरफुल होली एंड दिस इज होली स्पेशल. सो लेट्स begin. Introduction. As you can see, Holi is the most widely celebrated event in India. It has become a representation of Indian culture in all over the world. It is a symbol of spring and also acts as an equalizer between different socio-economic communities. Holi eliminates differences and brings people closer to each other. Six places to celebrate Holi in India: Mathura and Vrindavan for traditional Holi, Delhi for modern Holi, Shantiniketan, West Bengal for cultural Holi, Purulia, West Bengal for folk Holi, Jaipur for Holi and elephants, Banswara for tribal Holi. In the south, the festival is quite solemn and subdued. Legends and mythology. Hiranyakashipu wanted everybody in his kingdom to worship only him, but to his great disappointment, his son Prahlad became an ardent devotee of Lord Narayana, means Lord Vishnu. Hiranyakashipu commanded his sister Holika to enter a blazing fire with Prahlad in her lap. Holika had a boon whereby she would enter fire without any damage on herself. However, she can not aware that the boon worked only when she entered the fire alone. As a result, she paid a price for her sinister desires. While Prahlad was saved by the grace of the god for his extreme devotion, the festival therefore celebrates the victory of good over evil and also the triumph of devotion. Holy celebration. Holy celebration take place with a lot of joy and verve throughout the country. The enthusiasm of the people reaches its peak and matches with nature, which is in full bounty at time of Holi. Differences of any sort are drowned in the colored waters of Holi, and people just enjoy being a play animal. To further enhance the festive spirit of Holi celebration, we have a social sanction to get a kick with the tradition of Bhang. Holi celebrations in South India. In South India, however, people follow the tradition of worshipping Kamdeva, the love god of Indian mythology. People have faith in a legend which speak about the great sacrifice of Kamdeva when he shot his love arrow on Lord Shiva to break his meditation to evoke his interest in worldly affairs. After an eventful and fun-filled day, people become a little sober in the evening and greet friends and relatives by visiting them and exchange sweets. Holy special get-togethers are also organized by various cultural organizations to generate harmony and brotherhood in the society. Thank you for watching this video Holy special, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share और जितना भी हो सके उतना शेयर कीजिए व्हाट्सएप पे, टेलीग्राम पे, इंस्टाग्राम पे और जितने भी शेयर कीजिए और ऐसे ही प्यार देते रहिए. और हम लोग 300 सब्सक्राइबर के बहुत करीब हैं, तो फिर उसमें आप ही सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं. Wishing you again a happy Holi. Holi is the day to express love with colors. It is a time to show affection all the colors that are on you are of love. So, ending with this beautiful thought, bye bye, keep smiling, keep laughing. I am shining off.